What is up, guys? It's BRISxLIFE back at it again with another video, man. And Squishy and Yoongi for the save, man. We had just finished up Bon Voyage, and you know, Sugar was not there for the last half of the season, and it was a whole thing, and I was a little bit sad, man. And we just finished that last night, man. It's uploaded on Patreon, link in the description below. And Squishy and Yoongi dropped Yoongi's little sound effects, man, so I can get over my little sadness. Let's get into this video. Let's get it. Let go. He died. What sound effects are these? The puppies. Why does his voice sound like a dog? He really does that a lot. Let's see this clip. How do you... Oh yeah, we know his opera singing. Peasants. What the hell? This sugar's out. Why does he start it off and then the rest of them start doing it also? Dang. Oh man, I wish Sugar was there. Damn. Talking to a dog. He really yells a lot. The thing is, though, you have to watch so much. I feel like you have to watch so much of their, like, you know, like the reality TV shows and interviews and stuff just to get this much footage of Sugar yelling, because Sugar doesn't really, you know, he's not always on this level, always on 10 like this. Like, if this is my first introduction to Sugar, I would just think he's like some kind of like party boy, like just. Oh, man. Oh, that was it. Shout out to Squishy Man Yoongi, man. I'm gonna stick around to the end and see if there's a clip. Oh, this is last week's episode.
That's what she deserves.
What? Is that the end? Karaoke sugar. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I'm gonna say Min Yugi. Oh my gosh. Alright, man. I hope you guys got a smile or a chuckle or a big old lull out of that, man. Or a oof. Is that what oof? 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 Hope you got, I don't know why you would get an oof. But anyway, man, Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, y'all go over there and follow up, man. I'm glad I had got this video, man. Because like I said, we just finished the episode on Patreon, and I was sad that Sugar could not be there at the end, man. So shout out to Squishy, man. Y'all go over there and follow up. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Oh, link is in the description if you want to go watch the Bon Voyage episode over on my Patreon. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm gonna have to go with Sugar. Oh, with the hat though. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, Sugar. We going with Sugar. Killing the mood. Get it, girl. Dominic, let's get it. Woo! That hook is amazing. Yeah. You know, they had to have him on this part. The fastest rapper. Fastest K-pop rapper. Okay. Oh, this is a game. This is a. Don't blink! What? What? Please, please, please. Look. Wow, oh my God. I keep looking. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Okay, let's go. Oh, they stopped it? Hey. Hey.